and I'm going to show you guys how I did it and what AI I used to do this. In this video, you can see this is my web portfolio. I would say a project, but this is my web portfolio project. And this is crazy, but look at it, guys. If you go to the home page, except for that video, like I was one who, put this video here, but look at the whole UI. The only thing I did here was just that video and to structure the UI, like the way I want it. But outside that, that's it. Like it literally just made everything here for me, right? It's insane. And then when I did it, I was like, okay, what is the future for front end developers? If you don't know how to use UI, there's no future for you. I will be very clear and frank. It took me 2 days to do this. And I mean 2 days, and I shipped it to Vercel, right? From my terminal. And just look at it. So this video and this tool are intended for the software engineers who are currently learning with ALX. I do know you will be building your web stack portfolio project. For those who are front-end special people, I guess, well, they can just do that. Anyways, moving forward, I'm going to show you what I have done ever since I finished my SE program. Yes, you don't know that, do you? Ha ha ha. Anyways, I used to be an SE learner too. I was in Code 9. I have also done the AIC. I was in Code 1. I'm currently on the Founder Academy. And the reason I've done this is to understand software engineering as a service and as a product, right? And ALX has these clusters of resources and beautiful people. I'm in Port Harcourt, and I visited the Port Harcourt hub, but I've been really busy this period, so I barely visited. Anyway, maybe I moved to a place where I take care of electricity and I have a lot of things. So yeah, but these tools have helped me build like a lot of UIs. This is a project I did for clients to real estate projects where you can just buy lands and whatever. This is my company, and I'm a CTO and also a co-founder. The founder is also a software engineer, but he's moved to management level. Now, I'm currently building this one for a client. It is great to know that you can do this really, really fast. So I'm just going to share these tools with you guys, and I really, really encourage you guys to take the AIC course. Now, Alex did not send me, and nobody sent me actually. Nobody sent me. So I just want to share this and give back to Alex. There is limited job for real, and the only reason why there are limited job is with the ongoing skills that are currently in the world right now, they've not been provisioned for a job. Would I say a requirement for that? I mean, it is on high demand, but how do we fit in these people in this organization that it's not there? It's left for we, you and I. Eric's goal is to create entrepreneurs in Africa, and we were born to do hard things. Alex just showed us how hard we can go to get this thing done, and theoretically speaking, I'm one of them. It's been difficult, yeah, but I've made good money, lie to you. Anyway, so moving forward, this is the tool. I encourage you guys to use it. Learn about prompt engineering if you cannot. You have AICE. I encourage you to enroll in that course. It's going to teach you a lot of AI tools like UIZard, Galileo. These are tools that you can use to create a UI design. And you already have VO by Versa, where you can just get the UI and make it look like the one you just created with your programming skill. Now, this will help you build faster, and you have clusters of people on your code. So I encourage you guys to try it. Keep building, keep striving. I'm a software engineer. I use Django, Python, JavaScript, Spring Boot, but I really, really love Next.js. They give me that incredible flexibility, and I could just be full stack in a less time. So try it and let me know what you think. And I'll see you. Maybe the ones who are in Port Harcourt, I'll see them when I get to the hub. Bye.